Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the strap and confirming how it's secured. Quick-release pins, screw links, or push pins behave differently. Once done, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth and remove any protective covers. Use the magnifier to inspect the damaged link or loose pin so you know whether to push a pin out, unscrew a tiny screw, or release a spring bar. Make sure your tools are ready and your workspace well lit before you touch the strap. Next, remove the damaged link or fastener carefully. If it's a push pin, position the pusher and tap gently in the indicated direction until the pin clears the link. For screw links, hold the head steady and back the screw out slowly to avoid stripping. Once the link is detached, align the mating holes precisely. Misalignment causes binding and noise. Then insert a replacement pin or screw partway to hold alignment before fully seating. Make sure threads are clean and tighten screws without over-torquing. Finally, reassemble the strap and verify fit. Insert the pin or screw fully and ensure any quick-release bar snaps into place. If using screws, tighten until snug but don't strip threads. Adjust the clasp position or remove an extra link for a comfortable, secure fit. A well-aligned clasp prevents wear and accidental opening. Once reassembled, wear the watch and flex your wrist deliberately to confirm stability. If you feel looseness or hear rattling, recheck pins seating and replace any bent parts immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.